Hey Jim, this is Miss Leonardi. I wanted to send you a video because there's some serious issues with the paper that you turned in. I'm not quite sure what you did, but it's not right. So I wanted to show it to you. Um, so here's what happens. Here I am. This is what I see when I go in to grade a student's paper. I'm sorry, my cat likes to be in the recordings as well. So this is what I do. I go here and then I click on this little pencil and it brings up turn it in. And so here you are, James McLean. And for some weird reason, the uh, module is this module is here instead of your 2-2 writing notes assignment. So I'm really not sure what happened. I'm sorry, my cat just loves me. um, I'm not sure what happened, but this isn't correct. Let's go to what needed to be done, and let's see. Let's go to learning modules. And we will go to, I am sorry for all these distractions. This is an impromptu video that I'm making for you so I can show you what I see. So you were supposed to go here to 2-2 assignment 1 and this writing notes. And you were supposed to answer each one of these prompts. So here's the first one, and you're supposed to come up with some key points. And number 3, so this is what you were supposed to have filled out and completed for these writing notes assignment. And then you needed to download it into a Word doc and then go back to assignments, and you would need to put it in the 2-2 assignment 1 portal. So that's what needed to be done for this assignment. I don't know what happened. Let me go back to your work. Get you pulled back up here. Okay, here you are, James McLean. I go to evaluate. Even if I click here where it looks like you saved it as a PDF, it still brings up, and this is even module 1. This isn't even module 2. We were in module 2 last week. So Jim, I don't know what happened. I'm just wanting to show you that you can definitely redo this assignment and get it turned in ASAP. Let me go over that one more time. Go to learning modules. Go to module 2. And then go to the 2-2 writing notes. Okay, so this is what needs to be completed. And then just get that uploaded and sent to me pretty quick. Okay, that's all I had. Let me know. All right, bye, Jim.